Today I'm sharing a very easy chickpeas and red cabbage salad recipe that is not only nutritious but also delicious. Here I have a big bowl. I'm starting by making a simple salad dressing. I'm adding around 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil. Next, I'm going to add in half teaspoon of salt and quarter teaspoon of ground black pepper. Then I will add in juice of half a lemon. I will also add half teaspoon of honey for some sweetness. Now feel free to adjust salt, pepper and honey as per your taste. Now we will mix everything well to make the dressing. This salad is great for lunch or dinner or even snack. I take it to work and it keeps me full for a few hours. It is 9 p.m. right now and I'm making the salad for tomorrow's lunch. It is pretty well balanced as it is rich in fiber, protein, vitamins, and healthy fats. You can eat it as is or with pita chips. It is delicious. Now that the salad dressing is ready, we are going to add in all the other ingredients. Here I have around 3/4 cup of cooked chickpeas, a cup of red cabbage chopped into small pieces, a cup of chopped iceberg lettuce, 1/4 cup of diced red bell pepper, a quarter Granny Smith apple cut into small pieces, a handful of grapes, say around a 1/4 cup, and some walnuts, around 2 tablespoons. I'm using plain raw walnuts today. You can use toasted walnuts if you'd like. This recipe is pretty flexible. You can tweak things around. For instance, you can use fresh baby spinach, arugula, or romaine lettuce. You can also use dried cranberries or raisins instead of grapes, and red apple instead of Granny Smith. Sometimes I add red onions and feta cheese, but I'm skipping it today. Now I'm going to mix everything well so that the dressing is evenly coating all the ingredients. I'm adding in some more olive oil, but if you don't want to, then you can skip it. This is a great make-ahead salad. It stays well in the fridge for a couple days. And as I mentioned earlier, you can eat the salad as is or with pita chips. I just tasted the salad and I think it needs a little bit more black pepper and some lemon juice. So I'm going to add that. And as I said, this recipe is pretty flexible. Feel free to adjust the taste as accordingly. You can increase or decrease the amount of lemon juice, increase or decrease the amount of honey you add, and you can even add some other spices, for example, cumin powder and pepper flakes. So the salad is ready and I'm going to put it in a container to take it to work tomorrow. Do give this recipe a try and let me know if you have any questions. I hope you like the recipe. Thank you so much for watching and hopefully I will see you in my next video. Until then, take care and bye-bye.